Hello, good people. Welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Double Sun Hand Riveter. Tool-less mount and quick change. Energy-saving ergonomic handle design. Strong and sturdy high hardness high frequency. Multiple accessories 6 PCs metric. Widely applications. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Malco 2-in-1 Hand Riveter. One hand normal squeezing action provides enough power to set. Features a single long stroke and a short ratchet action. 3 nosepieces 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch and 3/16 inch. One hand operation. Nosepieces are stored in the handle. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Taclife Pumping Rod. An exclusive pumping rod between handles designed. 14 inches, 3 mm thickened carbon steel arm. Chrome molybdenum steel mandrels and all-iron body. Provide a customizable fastener solution for wide riveting. Complete with 7 interchangeable mandrels. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Marson 39000 HP2. Handles have cushion-molded vinyl grips for comfort. Manufacturer, Marson. High-strength aluminum alloy body. Drop-forged carbon steel upper handle. Thick cushion-molded vinyl grips for comfort. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Astro Pneumatic Tool. New toolless quick change head design allows. Disassembly of tool never required. Unique spring-loaded inner. Shorter handle with double compound hinges maximizing leverage. 6 interchangeable mandrel nosepiece sets. Includes 10 pieces of each of the following rivet nuts. Please check the description for details and best price.